Hey guys.
What is up?
I am with my aunt.
Hello.
I'm gonna eat some Pop Rocks. And I don't like the red ones. So, it'll be lit. Why is that there? Wait, update. I got a new gamer computer chair.
It's lit.
And a mouse.
That lights
Light
up.
up mouse. And a light up keyboard. It's lit. Wait. It can be red, pink. That looks like purple. Did that. But that was pink. So let's just eat some.
Yeah, I'll eat some too.
It's a lollipop with Pop Rocks. Can you eat the green ones?
Wait, how do you? Oh,
Yeah, like that. All right. Do. All right, we're back. All right, guys. She's gonna be eating some too. So let's get started.
Danielle, you're wearing 3 greens.
Ah.
ow! It hurt my tongue.
That's fun. They good? I give the blue one away. Take me away. Ow. Oh, that's fun.
I like chewing them.
Magic 8 Ball. Whatever, get Pegernart.
What is that?
My sources say no.
My sources.
This is my sources. What sources? Me getting Pegernart?
What is pregnant, dude?
Pregnant.
That's what I thought.
Pegernart. I like saying it.
My
Pegernart.
sources
Like
say no.
bagels, but it's bagels. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, Superman.
Ah!
Do, 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 do. I don't care about your stupid updates. Do, 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 do. I need $18 to get the whole thing so I can edit. No. I don't even know if she has any. Alright.
Want to eat this?
Do, 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 do.
I will. I'm going to shake nuts.
Look like a guy.
I'm Ariana Grande.
It is hair. Looks lit.
You want 2 Hershey's?
She crimped it.
Yeah, I crimped his hair.
Hey, look at this. Look at this mustache. Free. It's Mario. I'm Mario. I'm just ready to dump this whole thing.
Mom, there you go.
I'm about to dump the whole thing in my mouth.
Same. What
Sweet. Hi,
about some mine?
Well, your candy is on the floor.
I just said it by my mouse.
Okay.
Don't fight.
I didn't dump all mine in there.
By the way, I'm not spraying the night in here.
Good. I still have a little bit left in here.
I do too. Look at it. You can't get fired if you don't have a job.
Put $5 in my pocket. Pull out 10. When you go to school and nothing happens, you miss one day. Here's Johnny. Here's Johnny. Here's
Mom.
blind person. Oh, the
God dang, I heard you like Harry Potter, so I killed your parents. I get that. Okay, I'm done with this. This is making me nauseous.
memes.
No one cares.
Mom says alcohol is your enemy. Wow.
She's eating your candy. Which one is mine? I think yes.
Yeah, that's one. I'm eating the rest of my chocolate.
What?
We're back. Are we, Danielle?
Mm-hmm.
Jeffrey just graduated from campus.
I said
I destroyed my mouse. It doesn't change
Boy
colors.
and I went here and there.
Shut up. Bro, you playing Rider?
Yep.
Wow.
I'm gonna watch her play Ryder.
Why?
I don't know what.
This sucker tastes really gross.
What?
This sucker tastes really gross.
It's probably been on my Mac.
No, it's when I first tasted it, it's gross. Your Matt didn't do it.
When you taste Pop Rocks, when you don't like it, you have to lick it first.
Yeah, I did. You still have my AZ screen recorder.
Don't record now. Because I'm recording. Are you freaking recording like now? Why?
It's a double YouTube video.
A double YouTube video. Mine's been going for 9 minutes. Just graduated fresh on campus. I don't know the freaking lyrics. You don't have your face cam like me.
It's just a screen recorder.
That's how I got 2 subscribers
Wow, bro.
for using face cam.
I had 8.
Yeah, for not using
Good for
face.
you, Danielle.
Yeah, for doing not ASMR slimes.
Danielle, you're actually the
You're a dank one, Mr. Grinch.
You're better.
I don't do it.
I steal you, including
You're better than Morgan. You're welcome.
Gilly. Guess what?
Not answering.
You mother.